Hi, this is Richard J. Valdez. Today, I want to show you how to use the text formula in Microsoft Excel because some of the Microsoft Excel users don't know how to use it, especially in combining sentence in a date. They encounter the usual problem because the date is turning into a binary date, and I will show you how it happens. If you see on my screen and a sentence with date, the date is read as binary. Today is 44038. It's not the date that July 26, 2020. So now I'm going to show you how it will be read as a date. First, I will show you how to use the text formula, turning the binary date into a Gregorian date. Okay, first use equals text and the value is an A2. Then format text. So format text, you should use the three what's called this three letters that you're going to use: M, D, and Y. M equals for month, D equals to for day, and Y equals for year. So you have to use the double quotation, and M, you need to use for M for a word July, and space, and day for a day, a number, comma, space, and a month, and a year, I mean Y. For Y, sorry, for Y, yeah, share, just a minute. For Y, then it will show you July 26, 2020. Okay, and then when you combine these two, here this is a word, and you combine these two, F2 and E2, the word that we have converted, and it will show you today is July 26. You can read it not binary. Okay, and if you want to get the day, the name of the day of that particular date, just use again equals text and the value, the date value, comma, double quotation, and 4-letter D, and it will show the close parenthesis, and it will show you the name of the day, Sunday. And for the month, same again, text, the value, and the format, 4-letter M, double quotation, and close. It will show you July. And for the year, equals text, A2, and double quotation, for Y, double quotation again, and close, and it will show you the year 2020. Okay, I hope it helps you with my tutorial. Good luck and try to practice.